Alex. Sounds like guinea pig squealing. Huh? Wait a minute.
That was pretty funny. You gotta save that. Do it for a certain amount of time.
Huh?
Do it for a certain amount of time.